Hi everyone, my name is Tom Kappas, Director of Operations for Midstate Radiology Associates. As many of you know, we care for and oversee 21 radiology locations all across the state of Connecticut. Our facilities range from 5 Hartford Healthcare hospitals to 3 vein centers to 13 freestanding imaging centers. But what I really want to do is to create a short video describing the important work we've put into our imaging centers to demonstrate readiness for the current time period following our peak COVID-19 surge, all aimed at making sure you're cared for in the safest and most deliberate manner possible. One of the most alarming statistics for me is the fact that screening mammography has seen a reduction of 94% in the United States since the start of this pandemic. That statistic, coupled with the knowing concern that many women will have a delayed breast cancer diagnosis, was just one of the driving factors for us to act with urgency and laser focus to assure that it's safe to get your imaging test done again. First of all, we really want to say that we miss you and really appreciate your patience during this time. This is not a reopening truly because we never closed. We've just restricted certain types of imaging exams that were deemed not urgent for the last 6 or 7 weeks. I think you'll recognize the teams worked really hard to move forward to make things better for you. When you arrive, you will get your temperature checked and be asked a few simple questions related to symptoms of COVID-19. It's important to note that all our teams go through the same exact process every single time they enter our buildings. In some locations, you'll actually have the option to use a virtual waiting room, which uses our two-way text message communication system. The way that system works is that if you supply your cell phone number to us, you'll receive a confirmation text 1 day before the exam, as well as 60 minutes before that test. In the text confirmation, it will explicitly remind you to text us when you arrive, and that you have the option of staying in your car until your imaging room opens up, or you can come directly right into our facility. If you happen to be in our waiting rooms, you'll definitely notice less furniture. And that's really by design, to keep proper social distancing. The other thing you'll notice is everyone will be in masks. If you don't have a mask, we'll gladly supply you with one, but it is required. Upon registration, you'll also notice barrier screens at our registration desks. Again, this is an added feature for your safety. The other thing that's important to note is there's visual signage throughout, and that we're also limiting many imaging tests per hour in the coming weeks. So it's extremely important to call us to schedule that exam you've been putting off. You can always reschedule that appointment, but it's key to get on a schedule to ensure that appointment. Another important thing to remember is we have a no visitor policy, so please don't bring someone with you for your imaging test. If there's a hardship, please let us know, as exceptions can surely be handled on a case-by-case basis. Another cool feature is the ability to view our walk-in wait times directly on our website. Again, all aimed at providing measures to keep you informed of current flow in our imaging centers. And as far as cleaning methods, we're exploring several different technologies, one of which is UV light. After each day in our centers, we run the mobile UV lighting system into exam rooms and waiting areas. This technology is extremely promising and just another safety measure. Well, that's about it for now. We cannot wait to see you again, and know that we will always put you and our team's safety first. Always. So schedule your appointment today. Thanks, everyone.